I'm going to install this BAK Industries hard revolving cover. So it's much higher security than the soft covers. We'll take a look at how it comes boxed. Nice and shiny. I wanted the rolling kind because I didn't want it to, the trifold to block my vision when I had it open from the rear window. Okay, it is the Revolver X4s, made most recently for this Ford Maverick. Here it is, how it's packaged. You can see how it has quite a bit more security than just a soft rolling bed cover like most of them are. Yeah, it's more expensive. I think this cost about $900 plus tax. But for security, to me, it's going to be worth every penny. Sure, it could be still cut. I'm sure there's a way. I mean, this is hard plastic right here. So there's really no. And then here, this is feels like it's aluminum that are in there. Yeah, it is aluminum. You can see the ends. How all those little round bars are made of aluminum. So there's nothing soft to easily cut through. Can you take a sledgehammer to it? Of course. But that's going to make a lot more noise and draw a lot more attention. So I'm going to feel pretty good about this protecting my gear. And just so you can see, this is how it locks on the end. When the end's closed, pulling on this cable from underneath is what unlocks each side. Pretty simple design, but very high security. Okay, so let's see what's in this bag. Obviously the instructions. There's some weather stripping, thick and thin. These are straps when you want to leave it open that hold it rolled behind the back window. Instructions say if you have a drop-in bed liner, use the thinner quarter seal. Without it, like I have a spray-in, use the thicker 3/4 inch seal. So there it is right there. Okay, it's all along the front edge, the bed edge I mean. I have the rail in place just like the diagram shows, and I space the clamps evenly. Use my tape measure to make sure. Just gotta tighten this one up. It's just the only tool you need is a socket set. 9/16. In case you're wondering, I am left-handed, so that's 10% of us only. Okay, beautiful. This cargo rail can still slide, no problem. There's still clearance for the tie down, and the side storage bin is fine. Everything's good. So now I gotta just simple. This is super simple. I just gotta put this with the clamps on the left side, so it looks like that. Another important tip says if you have a spray-in bed liner like I do, luxury package from Ford, which I guess they're not giving them these days. It says to take off this little front little piece of weather stripping so it fits more snug up against the spray-in bed liner. There we go, just like that. Now I'm going to clamp it down. No power tools needed here, but almost done tightening this. I gotta make sure they're all nice and tight. It says 10-pound torque wrench, so I'll probably get my torque wrench out and double check. That's at 10 pounds. And again, no power tool needed, but if I did, got you right there. 110 volts, 400 amps of power. You know, that'll handle small tools and charging things, air compressors, the like. And there's the LED light that comes with the luxury package. I think I'm going to add more LED lighting coming off these 12-volt connectors. We'll do that in the future. Super simple. Okay, the rails are in, and you'll see that this is what actually is the locking mechanism. Holds that tonneau down on each side. Okay, steps 1 through 5 are done on both sides. Rails are in place. Next is to take the cover and put it to the rear of the bed. Roll it forward to these slotted brackets that are up there. And that's how it gets all secured down. Right there. So I'm going to roll it up to those slotted brackets that are ready to go. The bolts slide into this slotted channel. You can line them up with those brackets and put them in place. So I'll probably go underneath and do that. Okay, so those bolts go through, and I'll be able to lock them into place with those hand tightening nuts that come with these bolts. Okay, that's what they look like installed. I did not tighten them all the way because I have to make sure I adjust the tonneau to fit this bed properly. Okay, so everything is tightened underneath. I lined it, made sure it was going to work. Rolling the bed cover back into position. You know it's done right when the white locking tab locks right into that bracket. Watch this. See how it does this? Okay, let's do it one more time. I'm going to release it, that white tab. It's going to lock right into underneath here. Right in that spot. And this metal piece, you can see how it pulls everything into locked position. Okay, so here it goes. Okay, it's all sealed, strong, secure. Nice ad for them, I guess. Why not? You don't have to actually release both cables. It's all connected as one, so one hand does it. But again, look at how solid. There's no nylon, vinyl, no material that can be easily cut with a knife. Much better. Now it's all nice and tight. Low profile. Nice seal along the back glass there. So this locks into place without any issues. and I could easily close the tailgate. One more thing to show you. Is the straps are installed. This is so easy to do one-handed. So these fit into another clamp is attached, and all you do is just put it in there and turn on both sides. Holds it right in place and tighten it up like that. Just got to make sure the strap doesn't flap in the wind. Okay, one more time, I'll close it up. And I'm all done. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more unique content.